We are going to start a session now. What is the importance of English? Why do you want to learn this language? So everybody will try to answer this question.
My name is Fatma Qureshi. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I am doing BA
What do you think about the importance of English language? Why English is important?
English is very important because to job, to interview, and
To communicate with the people?
yes, important.
It is very important because we can communicate with other people with this language, right? Like even if you would like to go to other countries,
Yes.
right, then you can use this language, right? And even though suppose if you don't want to go abroad, you want to live in this country, then do you think English is important? Like the importance of English in India, like country. In India you can speak Hindi also.
Yes.
Then why English are you learning English?
Try interview. So I can speak English. I can speak English interview.
So you
skill is
okay,
important.
you feel that English is required just because you want to do a job, right? If you want to do a job, then you will have to appear in interview, and for that English is important,
Yes.
right? Even if you want to live in India, if you will visit other states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, right, Kerala, then they have their local languages, right? And since we don't know all the local languages of our country, right, then English works like a breeze there. If you will learn how to communicate in English, then you can talk to the people of Karnataka. There is no need to learn Kannada. If you will go to Maharashtra, you can talk to the Marathi people. There is no need to learn Marathi, right, or other regional languages. It is not possible for us, right, to learn all the regional languages of our country. But what is the possibility? We can learn English language. If we learn English language, then we can talk to any person, right, in our country or in any other country of the world, across the world. That's why English is very important language. Okay.